Hello everyone, this is Ashish Kumar, Assistant Professor at MIT Muzaffarpur. We were going through a series on estimation of civil engineering project. So in last class we have dealt with the basics of estimation of civil engineering project, and you can visit the last video also for more insights. So last class we were saying like we need to estimate the quantity and then we need to estimate the rates. So this is for estimation of quantity, and this is the part one of that video. So let's move how to estimate the quantities of various components of the civil engineering works. So for estimating the quantities, we have various methods, quantities for different components like earthwork, foundation, concrete, brickwork, plinth work, and then superstructure. So we have three methods. What we have first, it is long wall short wall method, and again the another way is center line method, and then what we have partially center line and partially long wall short wall method based upon the circumstances or easiness what we are doing, circumstances or easiness we want to do it. So let's see what is a long wall and short wall method. So in long wall method and long wall short wall method, in this method, the wall along the length of a room is considered to be a long wall, and the perpendicular to that long wall is your short wall. So let's say if you have a room of 3 meter by 3 meter by 4 meter, then your long wall will be this 4 meter, and then short wall will be the 3 meter, that is perpendicular to that 4 meter is your short wall. So to get the length of long wall or short wall, you need to calculate first the center to center distance of the particular item. Let's say you have a room like this. So you have given a plan like this. So first you need to have this center line, a center to center distance of this line. So so center to center you need to calculate, and then the length of long wall will be the center to center distance plus 2 times half of the width of the thickness of the that particular component will be your length of the long wall. Then then length of the short wall will be the center to center distance, your center to center distance minus 2 times the half of the width of the particular component in consideration. So that is the whole definition of it. So let's work out some examples for long wall short wall method calculation. We need to work out some example. So I have taken a example of a particular room, one room, one floor building we have considered. So for one room, we have the internal dimension is 3 meter, and then 3 by 5 room is there. So your long wall side length is 5 meter, and then 3 meter what you have. So this is the room, and from the foundations we have proposed several component in the foundation itself. So you have PCC. The width of the PCC is 1 meter, and then you have the first brickwork and first footing level brickwork. So that brickwork has the width of 600 meter, and then width of 600 meter and 600 and thickness of 200 Then you have the second brickwork for the footing or for the plinth, you can say. You have of 1 meter height or thickness, you can say, and then width of the wall is 400 mm, and then for the 300 mm you have another brickwork for the superstructure what we have. So this is your plinth level and this is your natural ground level, though, or maybe you can say OGL, original ground level, or GM. So this is your natural ground level is there. So let's calculate the quantity of earthwork in excavation. One of the component is earthwork in excavation. Means we want to build this foundation. So for building that foundation, you need to work out some excavation work. So what is the that excavation work? You need to excavate like this the entire thing, then only you will be able to construct your PCC or whatever the shade. So for that width of the excavation will be the width of the PCC, that is 1000 mm, that is 1 meter. So 1 meter is the width of your like excavation. Then the thickness of excavation, so you can see this is your natural ground level. Below that natural ground level you want to excavate these grounds. So you want to excavate this ground, so you have the length of this is 600 mm, and then you have 200 mm and another 100 mm. So total it is 900 mm. It is coming to zero point 0.9. So height of this excavation will be the 0.9. Then we need to consider the other two quantities. So the total long wall is, so we have two long walls. One is this side and another is on the other side. So you have two long walls, and then we need to consider the length of this long wall. So uh, first we need to consider the center to center distance of this long wall. So you have internal dimension is 5 meter. So from center to center distance, meaning by from this point to this point, so you have this as 300 divided by 2, that is 150 mm, and another this side what you have is 300 divided by 150, so 150 mm. So your total center to center distance is 5 plus 0.15 plus 0.15, that is 5.3 meter is your center to center distance. What we dealt in the last slide is the center to center distance plus 2 times half of the width of your particular component is your length of long wall. So for the length of long wall, center to center distance what we have is 5.3 meter, then 2 times of the width or half of the width of the particular component. So you have the width of total width is you have total width of 1 meter divided by 2 into 2. So total length of the 5.3 plus 1, that is length of the long wall is 6.3 meter. So your total, now we can arrive to the total quantity is this multiplied the number of long walls multiplies by the width of the long wall, and then length of the long wall, then width, and then you have height of the long wall. So total quantity will be come out to 11.34 cubic meter, meter cube. So again for the short walls what we have, and again you have two short walls on the either side, and then length of the for the length of the short walls what we said in the last slide, length of short wall is your center to center length of the shorter direction plus minus, sorry, minus 2 times half of the width of the particular component. So you have this internal dimension is 3 meters, then your center to center distance will be the 3.3 meter plus 2 times half of the width. Half of the width means 1000 divided by 2, that is 1 meter divided by 2. So your 3 minus, sorry, in short wall we need to have the minus. So 3.3 minus 1, that is coming to 2.3 meter. That's what we have written it as 2.3 meter. And then width of the wall is again what we have 1. For excavation width we have 1, and then depth of the excavation is 0.9. So total quantity for the short wall is 4.14. So the total quantity of the entire component, it is coming to 15.48 meters meter cube. So for earthwork in excavation, you need 15.48 of the cubic meter of the thing. Let's say you might have two, three, four types of the long wall, short wall, because you are dealing with the different buildings. Maybe the internal dimension of different building are different. The internal dimension of the rooms are different. So based